I'm going to show you guys how to use items like this to decorate scented wax. Here are the tools for the wax. First, we should add 10 grams of soy wax and 10 grams of wax. Mix them until they melt completely. Then start the stove. Add cream and keep stirring. Pour out the wax into the rubber mold. You could also put the materials into the rubber mold first and then pour wax over them. Add 3 to 4 drops of essential oil. Let it lay flat until you can see the wax begin to harden around the sides. Then put your natural materials in the rubber mold. Feel free to add decorative as well as scented materials. Have fun with it! Wait until it completely hardens. Take the wax out slowly. Finish with a knot. Then we are done. Here is another piece of scented wax I made with 2 different colors. To make one like this, follow the same steps as before, repeating the process after the first layer hardens. Take it out and tie your knot.